Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, July 23rd, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 24 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, before we opened up, we actually had one of our pre-market half gap trades set up, came down, actually pulled back, got a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 as we went down and filled our half gap for 6 ticks to the downside. Then the market opened up around 87.50, and you can see we had a quick move to the upside, got an extension entry long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks to the upside as the market pushed back up through the previous day's close, and you can see it just kind of was moving back and forth here, kind of in a rangy motion with a little bit of expansion to the downside. We came back down to our through our moving average, went into our Globex lows, found a little bit of support there, pulled back up towards our moving average, which was right by the open, got a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks. Again, expanded the downside of the range, came back up through the moving average a bit, pulled back, got a signal to get long, targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, and then the market started to push a little higher there, all the way up until about the 10:45 confirmation time. We came off of that reversal period down through our moving average, gave us a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we moved back to that previous day's 4 p.m. close. Found a little bit of support there, bouncing into the lunchtime dead zone. Now the red area on your chart is an area where we do not initiate any new trades. We call that our lunchtime dead zone between 11:30 and 1:15. We just kind of sit on our hands, wait for that time to pass, and then we start looking for trades again. Right before 1:15 there was a signal to get long. Again, a little early for us to get into that trade, so we missed the large up move there coming out of the dead zone. But and that was basically the last of the opportunities. Later in the day there was a opportunity to get short, but you can see that it went down, hit its target a couple of times, did not fill. Going to count that as a T1 minus 2. Some folks could have been filled on these 2 bars because it actually did trade at the level we were looking for targets, but it didn't trade through it, and there wasn't enough action. Very few contracts filled on that particular trade. And then to the upside there was a push up, a signal to get long. Again, hit the T1 target to the tick. Not sure that anybody got filled, so I'm going to count that as a T0 minus 14. So over and all, it was a great day. Had a fantastic morning. Was up about 40 ticks in the first half of the day. Gave a couple of them back here at the end, but all in all, still a great day. 7 trades, 24 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.